This customer wants to clean up the cords behind his nightstand in his bedroom. So I'm gonna install a USB outlet with a regular outlet in a 2-gang box in place of the single gang that he has here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is remove the existing outlet. After locating my stud, now I know where I can cut out my new box. Take the outlet out with this little handy dandy electric screwdriver. You can buy this in the link in my bio on Amazon. After removing the outlet, I'm gonna disconnect the powers and see which one of these is actually live. So after I disconnect them, I can see this is my power. So now I'm gonna tape my power, and then I can disconnect my neutrals and my grounds. Got my box traced out. After getting the box cut out, now I can pry it off the stud with a big flathead screwdriver. Just like that. Now I'll cut these nails with my dikes. After cutting the nails, you can kind of pull the box out of the wall. Like that. Taking the wires in the KOs in the back of the box, and then I'll push it in the wall, and then I'll pull the wire down so the insulation from the wire makes it inside the box. And then I'll tighten these screws. I'm gonna pigtail all the wires so that I only have one wire going to each receptacle. USB side has these clamps that hold the wire down so it doesn't need curls like the outlet does. You always want to make the curls clockwise so that when the wire tightens, it tightens down on the screw, tightening it, you know? Does that make sense? And yes, this is hot. You want to put white on silver and black on gold. I taped the outlet. I got the outlets installed, and now I'm going to put on the plate cover. Now the customer can plug in all of his devices and it's a lot cleaner. And that's your end result.